The metallic smell of money is actually your body, oils breaking down in the presence of iron or copper. You can see this by using a paper towel to pick up a penny smelling it no odor. Then rub your sweaty lolly fingers on it and notice the strong metallic odor. Money doesn't smell, you do. This newborn baby became the world's youngest organ donor after living for just 74 minutes. The baby's mother knew that her child will not live, so she decided to donate the newborn's organs and save other lives. Polar bear fur is actually clear, and their skin is black. Building made without cutting down 326-year-old tree. Dead bodies can move around according to a research from Australia. The dead bodies can significantly move their legs, arms, and bodies for more than a year after their death. Japanese train companies have installed blue LED lights at stations to reduce the rate of suicides. Although the exact reason is not known, some theorize that blue light has a calming and positive effect on the mood. The presence of blue lights at train stations lowered suicide rates by as much as 84%. After being captured by pirates, Julius Caesar insisted that his captors demand a higher ransom amount as it was too low for such an important person. He also told the pirates that he would have them all crucified. The pirates simply ignored him, thinking he was crazy. However, after the ransom was paid and Caesar was set free, he raised a naval fleet, tracked down the pirates, and had them all crucified. The razor blade is sharp, but can't cut a tree. The axe is strong, but can't cut the hair. Everything is important according to his own unique purpose. Never look down on anyone unless you are admiring their shoes. Did you know? Dancing with your friends makes you feel part of something bigger than yourself, gives you a merged sense of you and them, strengthens your relationships, builds trust, and raises your pain tolerance. In 2013, a homeless man named Billy Ray Harris found a $4,000 engagement ring in his beggar's cup. A woman had accidentally dropped it while giving him some change. She returned 2 days later, and he gave the ring back. In thanks, she set up a fund with the goal of raising $4,000 for him. It ended up making over $185,000. Millennials are the best educated, the worst paid generation, according to the New York Times. The tarantula hawk wasp has a sting so powerful that people who have been stung are advised to lie down and start screaming to prevent further injury. In recent reports, scientists estimate that there could be up to 36 intelligent alien civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy alone. Before people knew the full extent of the harmful effects of X rays, women would get face X rays to kill bacteria, which would make their skin look healthy and beautiful. In the 1930s, high dose X ray machines were a popular method for hair removal. Women needed upwards of 15 treatments a year to induce permanent hair removal. After a while, people who underwent these treatments started developing tumors on their faces, and some even died. Elephants' skeletal structure is not designed to carry weight on their backs. Many elephants end up with deformed and broken backs due to years of long hours spent carrying tourists around. The perfect length of a vacation is 8 days. Longer vacations have no benefits. Experts say you need to take more vacations than longer vacations. Applying a male's underarm sweat to a female's lips can help women relax, boost their mood, and help regulate their menstrual cycle. The founder of Little Caesars Pizza, Mike Ilitch, paid Rosa Parks rent for over 10 years. When Mike learned that the 81-year-old civil rights activist had been robbed and beaten in her Detroit home in 1994, he wanted to move her to a safer apartment. So, he established a trust to cover the housing expenses, and continued paying her rent every single month until she died in 2005. A killer whale at Marineland, Canada, learned to regurgitate fish and let it sit on the surface to attract seagulls. When a seagull takes the bait, the whale would come up from the water and eat the bird. Four other whales copied that behavior. Highway hypnosis is a mental state where a person can drive a vehicle great distances responding to external events in the expected safe correct manner with no recollection of having consciously done so. Partial or complete amnesia related to the time spent driving can develop for the driver. Around 13,000 to 15,000 years ago, at the end of the last ice age, there existed a proglacial lake named Lake Missoula in western Montana. Periodically, the ice dam that created the lake would rupture and cause cataclysmic floods. The flood would flow at 80 miles per hour and release energy equivalent to 4,500 megatons of TNT, which is 90 times more powerful than the most powerful nuclear weapon ever detonated. I ain't afraid to love a man. I ain't afraid to shoot him neither. Annie Oakley, 1899. The last date that all living humans were together on Earth was 2nd November 2000. Since then, there has always been someone on board the International Space Station. The legendary Johnny Cash fought for the rights of Native Americans and dedicated an entire album to them. He faced censorship and an angry backlash from radio stations who refused to play any of the songs for speaking out on behalf of Native people. In retaliation, Cash bought a full page ad of Billboard magazine asking, "Where are your guts?" Theodore Roosevelt was shot in the chest while campaigning in Milwaukee in 1912. Instead of going to the hospital, he proceeded to give a 90-minute speech while the bullet was still lodged in his chest. The bullet had penetrated his steel eyeglass case and passed through a 50-page, single folded copy of his speech, which was kept in his jacket. Being an experienced anatomist and hunter, Roosevelt had correctly concluded that the bullet had not reached his lung and he could wait to get medical attention. 14-year-old George Stinney Jr. is the youngest person that was ever executed. Later, he was proven innocent. Great news! The giant panda is no longer an endangered species. The Icelandic horse is a breed of horse developed in Iceland. Icelandic horses are not allowed to leave the country. If they do so, their return is banned. In their native country, they have very few diseases, and this is one of the measures that are in place to prevent importing new diseases. In an effort to reduce its homeless population, the Swiss city of Basel is offering homeless people a free one-way ticket to anywhere else in Europe so long as they sign a contract, saying they won't return to Switzerland for a certain period of time. Scientists used oxygen therapy to reverse age of 34 adult human beings. In few months participants' cellular level was 25 years less.